So I've used a bit more of that black enamel spray, and we're going to grab some cable ties, stick it right up in there. So the boost bottle is strapped in, wired down to our modified intake. I didn't see that coming. That's the first time I have ever seen an exhaust bend like that. What I have noticed with this particular setup, it works similar to the boost bottle. It sucks a whole heap of extra fuel back up the line, and to keep it pressurized, I just make sure that the petcock on the back tank is always switched off. But it does mean that there is an excess of fuel up there, so it does take a little bit longer to shut off after I close the valve there. But all in all, it's done really well. Alright, today we're doing a fairly simple modification. We're going to replace the boot here, because as you can see, it's been melting, and that little cap on the inside has been coming off. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this boot off. We're going to replace it with a proper good quality NGK one. So, moment of truth. And we're done. I'm a little bit annoyed because that was a brand new one compared to the many hundreds of kilometers that one has done. That fuel filter there was off my original engine way back when I filmed the How to Annoy the Neighbours video. And that one has been on for about a month. At least it's not dripping onto a hot exhaust. But yeah, I definitely need to sort that out. But not yet, because I'm going for a ride anyway.